I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. Oh, I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi, the ultimate guide to solving all our financial troubles. It claims to have a step-by-step plan for managing money, making smart choices, and becoming wealthy. Apparently, it covers everything from saving money to investing, budgeting, and even having a positive attitude about money. Because, you know, money loves a good attitude, right? And hey, forget those get-rich-quick schemes. This book says it's all about the long game. Who needs instant results when you can just follow these timeless strategies? Easy, right? But hold on a second. Becoming rich means different things to different people, right? So, just follow the book's advice and boom, financial success. No need to worry about your individual circumstances or the unpredictable twists life throws at you. Just follow the rules, and you'll be swimming in cash in no time. So there you have it, folks. According to this book, all you need to do is read it and poof, you'll be on your way to riches. Because money management is as simple as ABC, right? Hey, let's put aside this sarcastic tone and hear the teachings of the book and try to be more serious and understand the basics of making a lot of money. We will discuss the book's suggestions about money and conclude with the 5 takeaways that we can withdraw from the book at the end of the video. But before visiting the inner bowels of the book, please do not forget to subscribe our channel for more content, to make more money, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Ramit Sethi's way of thinking in I Will Teach You to Be Rich promotes smart spending, which means thinking carefully about where you use your money. Here's how you can do it in simpler terms. Figure out what things make you happiest and matter most. It could be stuff you want to do, goals you have, or things that bring smiles. As soon as you get money, save some in a special place. It's like hiding candy for later, but with money. Have different places for money, like one jar for fun trips, another for a cool house, and maybe one for starting your own business. Keep adding money to these jars. Make a list of things you need to spend money on each month, like food and fun stuff. Decide how much for each thing, so you don't use all your money at once. Think about where you spend money too much, and maybe stop doing it so you can save. Like eating out less or watching how many game subscriptions you have. When you buy something, think about how it will help you or make you happy, not just how much it costs. Sometimes paying more for something nice is better. Before buying something, ask if it's really important or if you'll really enjoy it. Keep some money just for fun things you really like toys or treats. This way, you can enjoy stuff without feeling bad. Sometimes you can talk to people to get better deals when you're buying things, like asking for a discount or special price. Sometimes look at your money and plans again. Make changes if you need to so your money is used the best way for you. Smart spending means thinking ahead about where your money goes. It's about using money for things that really matter to you, making careful choices, and not wasting it. Doing this helps you take control of your money and work towards your big dreams while still having fun. Ramit Sethi also talks about thinking ahead for your money success. Here's how you can do it in a simpler way. Think about what you want in the future, like a cool house, a relaxing retirement, or even starting your own business. This helps you know where you're going. Put your money in a special place that makes it grow over time. Even small bits of money can turn into lots later. Don't put all your money in one basket. Spread it out between different things, like companies, bonds, and real estate. This keeps things safer and helps your money grow. Don't worry too much about quick changes in how your money is doing. Think long-term instead of trying to guess what will happen next. Add money to your savings and investments regularly, even when the money world seems a bit crazy. This helps your money grow steadily. Every so often, see if your money plan still matches your goals. If things change, adjust your plan a bit. Getting lots of money takes time. Don't rush into decisions just because things change quickly. Set up a way for your money to automatically go into your savings or investments. It's like making sure you save before you spend. Keep learning about how money works. This helps you make smart choices and change your plans when you need to. Don't let debts with high interest slow you down. Focus on paying them off bit by bit. Save for when you're older, even if that seems far away now. Money you save when you're young can become lots more when you're older. Sometimes think about why you want more money later. It helps you stay excited about your goals, especially when things get tough. When you get closer to your goals, celebrate. It keeps you excited and reminds you why you're working hard. By doing these things, you'll get better at handling your money for the long run. It's like planting seeds that grow into a big, strong tree of wealth and security for your future self. The book talks about how important it is to invest in yourself to become better and do well in life. Here's how you can do it in a simpler way. Keep reading books, taking online classes, and learning new things. This helps you become smarter and can help you get a good job. Find things you like doing and get really good at them. This makes you more special and helps you find cool jobs. Meet people who do things you like. They can help you learn more and maybe even get better jobs. Exercise and eat good food to stay strong. This helps you do well in everything you want to do. Learn how to use your time wisely. This means doing work, having fun, and getting better at things. If you have cool ideas, try them out. You might make something awesome or even start a little business. Make sure you have good health insurance and see the doctor sometimes. It helps you stay well and not spend too much money later. Learn about money and how to use it. This helps you make good choices with your money. Learn how to talk to others and ask for things. This helps you get better jobs and do well in school. If you're online, be nice and careful. You can also show the cool things you can do on the internet. Find someone older who can teach you things. They can help you become better and give good advice. Sometimes, take time to relax and do things you like. It helps you feel happy and do better in everything. Investing in yourself means getting better at things you like. When you learn more, make friends, and take care of yourself, you become better and can do amazing things in the future. Ramit Sethi also emphasizes changing how you spend money to be smarter. Here's how you can do it in an easier way. Notice when you want to buy things suddenly. Is it because you're bored, sad, or your friends are buying stuff? Knowing why helps you stop. Before getting things you don't really need, wait a month. You might not want them anymore after waiting. Say how much you'll spend on different things like games or snacks. Stick to these limits so you don't spend too much. Don't use credit cards a lot. Use real money or a debit card. It helps you not owe too much money later. If you want something big, wait 3 days before buying it. You might not want it that much after waiting. Don't open emails or follow people on social media who make you want to buy things. It helps you not spend too much. Don't buy things at full price. Wait for sales or discounts to save money. Before going shopping, write down what you need. Stick to the list so you don't buy things you don't really want. Figure out how many hours you need to work to buy something. It helps you decide if it's really worth buying. Choose things that last a long time instead of cheap stuff that breaks quickly. Before buying something, ask if you really need it and if it makes you happy. Instead of buying things, do things you enjoy, like playing with friends or doing hobbies. Keep a note of what you spend money on. It helps you know where your money goes. Sometimes see what you're spending money on. If it's not good, change it to do better with your money. By making these changes in how you spend, you can become better at using your money wisely. This helps you have more control over your money and make good choices for your future. The author also talks about how to live a rich life, which means having a really great and happy life. Here's what it means in simpler words. It's important to have money for what you need and some fun things too, without worrying too much. Instead of buying things randomly, spend money on things that make you really happy. Rather than just buying stuff, do fun things like going to new places, learning new things, and spending time with family and friends. It's good to learn new things and become better at what you like doing. This makes your life more interesting and exciting. Having nice friends and spending time with family is really important. It makes you feel good and happy. Make sure you have time for both doing fun things and doing your schoolwork or job. Being kind to others and helping them is part of a great life. It feels good to make others happy. Think happy thoughts and be thankful for what you have. Enjoy each moment and don't worry too much. Do things that match what you believe in, like being kind to animals or protecting the environment. A great life lets you choose what you want to do. It's about having options to do things you love. When you do something well, even if it's small, celebrate it. It makes you feel proud and happy. So, living a rich life means having enough money, enjoying fun experiences, being with loved ones, learning new things, and feeling happy and thankful for everything around you. Some people think that I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi has some weaknesses. Here's why they might feel that way. Some think the advice in the book is too simple and easy to understand. They want more detailed explanations. The book might not be helpful if you have a complicated money situation. It's best for simpler situations. People who know a lot about investing might find the book's investment advice too basic. They want more advanced ideas. Some feel that the book tries to sell the author's courses and services too much, making it feel like an ad. The book doesn't tell many stories about real people, which some readers like in books. The advice might not work for everyone's background or culture. It's more focused on young people. If you have a lot of money you owe, the book might not help you with that as much. Remember, people have different opinions, and what some see as weaknesses, others might not mind. It's important to find books that feel right for you and your needs. I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi has some cool lessons about money. Here are 5 important things to remember. 1. Put your money in a safe place automatically. This way, you save money before you spend it. 2. Be smart about spending. Buy things you really want and need, and don't waste money on stuff that's not important. 3. Keep learning new things and practicing skills. This helps you get better at what you like doing and can help you get good jobs. 4. Don't just think about today. Save and invest your money so you have more later on. Patience pays off. 5. Learn to ask for what you want and be confident. This can help you make more money and get better deals. These lessons help you be good with money, make wise choices, and build a better future for yourself. As we wrap up our discussion on I Will Teach You to Be Rich here on the Poetics of Success channel, we've dived into the valuable teachings and insights this book brings for mastering your finances and building a successful future. Keep in mind, wealth encompasses more than just money. It involves making thoughtful decisions that match your goals and values. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Until next time, take care and keep striving for your dreams.